In 2005, the River Maas's west bank was entirely renewed. The embankment offers a good view of the St. Servatius Bridge, or Brug, as it is called by the locals. The renewal work revealed the 13th century bridge's first arch, which now spans a footpath. This arch is basically all that remains of the medieval stone bridge. The St. Servatius Bridge is still known as the oldest bridge in the Netherlands, but in fact, it is a modern bridge with an old look. In 1933, the medieval bridge was largely demolished and rebuilt in reinforced concrete. Subsequently, it was partially covered with natural stone. The east side of the bridge is a steel span, which enables shipping traffic at high tide. The River Maas is a rain-fed river, which can cause substantial changes in water level. During the dry summer months, there is a meagre supply of water. The low flow rate causes sand, gravel and stones to form a sedimentary deposit, creating shallow spots. Because of these circumstances, the river used to be fordable in this spot, near the Yeka River estuary. On this site, the Romans built a wooden bridge with stone piers. Excavated finds have shown that the Romans kept their river crossing in good repair. The bridge was the only permanent cross-river connection for miles around, and it was of vital importance for the trade and the provisioning of the armies. It is not quite clear whether the bridge remained intact after the Romans had left. During the early Middle Ages, reference to its existence has been made only a couple of times. In 1275, the rickety structure collapsed right when a procession was crossing it. Between 1280 and 1298, the bridge was rebuilt in stone, approximately 100 meters downstream. The last arch remained of wood, and a tower was erected in order to guard it. Maintenance continued to be a problem, and in 1349, the city took over 3/4 of the costs. During the 80 Years' War, the bridge once again suffered great hardships. Between 1683 and 1716, it was thoroughly renovated. In 1827, the wooden east side part of the bridge was replaced with a stone arch. A few keystones in the arches are a reminder of that. After 1900, the low and narrow medieval bridge was not satisfactory anymore. Industrialists and tradesmen insisted on demolition. Others advocated preservation. They reached a compromise. In 1932, north of the old bridge, a second bridge was built, the Wilhelmina Bridge, or Brug, as it is called by the locals. The old bridge was thoroughly modernized, and it was named St. Servatius Bridge. In 1946, the damage from World War II was repaired, and the bridge was broadened by 2.5 meters. The old bridge has been left largely undisturbed since then.